Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your computer to an SSD. If you are looking to upgrade from a traditional hard disk to an SSD, or if you are just looking to upgrade your small or low storage SSD to a higher SSD, then this video is made for you. One of the things which you will need appropriate screwdrivers for your computer. From my side, I have a full box of screwdrivers which I can try each to open my computer with. Also, my screwdrivers box comes with this little plastic which allows me to open the back without damaging the plastic of my computer. So now I will just turn my box and try to find out the right size. I will invite you to try different size to take the appropriate one to not damage the screw of your computer. Once you have picked up the correct one, go ahead and start opening your computer. If you don't know how to open your computer or where to open, I will invite you to Google it or to search on YouTube. You will find good videos which will help you. Now I will use this little plastic. Don't try to force if it doesn't open with you. Just go and try to Google it or go to a professional person if you cannot open your computer easily. You don't want to break anything. And once you have opened, you will go to your hard disk and check how to remove it. For mine, I will need to press from right and left and push down. So sometimes you will need to lift up the hard disk, but in my case I will need just to push from right and left side to remove it. Let's do it again. So you push from right and left, you press and you push down. Once you have removed it, you will have to insert your SSD instead of your hard disk. If your SSD has already a place in your computer, you can go ahead and insert it. But in my case, I can insert either this little SSD, which you can see, because my computer has the appropriate input for it. Or you can just go ahead and buy an SSD which comes with an adapter which you can insert instead of your hard disk. And before doing that, please make sure that you select the appropriate size which fits your computer. For mine, I will just put the screwdriver, use the screwdriver to put the screw so that it doesn't move. And once done, I will go ahead again and close my computer and start running my computer as normal. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon.